one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Some of our hearts have been carrying more pressure and strain than we let others see. We've kept moving, kept praying, kept trying to stay steady, and yet also inwardly longing for a different kind of peace, a peace that remains, a peace that doesn't just come and then go. You long to breathe again, for your soul to be renewed and restored. And the Lord says, I'm drawing you away from the noise and the pressure. I will not leave you empty. Know that I am the one who restores, the one who fills you anew. I'm leading you by quiet waters. I'm calming you when everything has been stirred up inside of you. I'm giving you space to hear me again. What felt restless will not remain that way forever. Stay close to me, stay near, for I am the good shepherd who takes care of you. I'm bringing you by streams of living water into a place of renewal and peace. I'm bringing you into a place where your strength will be restored. I love you. I delight in you. Enter into my presence in this day, for I am the one who is restoring you, the one who is giving you my peace anew. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.